Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Camry. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance, 4-wheel disc brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player, lane departure warning.
We know that the idea of buying a used Toyota is attractive to you. After all, getting a high-quality, low-mileage Toyota at a great price is a smart move. That's why we created the Toyota Certified Used Program. It's the smart choice.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.